It's Pete from the Small Business Resource Center and the Small Business Resource Center YouTube channel. This video is pretty exciting. Nvidia actually has courses you can take. They're very inexpensive and some of them are free. So Nvidia, of course, they're a large AI company. They're trying to, I guess, educate people and make AI education more accessible by offering the free courses, and you have paid courses. I guess they're doing it so they can improve their technology and their business. So the link is going to be below, but it's right up here. So when you're looking at all the free courses, I'm going to go through. You got the links. These are all self-paced, by the way. Paid courses, they're very inexpensive. You've got $90 for an 8-hour course on C++, fundamentals of CUDA Python, and introduction course, which that one's free. But you can see they're pretty inexpensive, $30, $90. Fundamentals of accelerating computing with open ACC, streamlining concurrence or accelerating CUDA C++ applications. So you can see a lot of things that you would be looking for are here. If you select free courses, if you just want to see the free stuff, very, very simple. Um, I I had clicked this previous, but this opens up all the courses. Just open it up and view the course. Generative AI explained, essentials of developing Omniverse kit, even easier introduction to CUDA, assemble a simple robot with Isaac Sim, beautiful, build beautiful custom UI 3D tools, and Nvidia Omniverse, build video applications on the edge of Jetson Nano, 8-hour course for free. Easily developed advanced 3D layout tools. Build a brain in 10 minutes. Develop custom publish in Omniverse with extensions. Getting started with DOCA Flow. How to build 3D scene manipulator tools with NVIDIA Omniverse. So disaster risk monitoring using satellite imagery. Oh, that's pretty interesting. 8-hour course. Getting started with AI Jetson Nano, fingerprint, digital fingerprinting with Morpheus, introduction to DACA and DPUs, getting started with USD for collaborative 3D workflows. So a lot of free courses here. Check them out. Let me know in the comments if you're taking advantage of any of these, if you're learning AI, or if you have another resource. This is Pete from the Small Business Resource Center. Like, subscribe, comment. Have a great day.